Hello everyone, good morning. This video I'm gonna show you how to grow ginger direct on the ground. You can do this also on containers or on pot, but on this video I'm gonna show you how to plant directly on the ground. So we have here half kilos of ginger, and then we're gonna use compost or organic black soil. So I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna plant this ginger. So I already put here black soil or compost. So I'm planting here behind the fence. So let's start, and then I'm gonna explain also in Tagalog or English, mix up English Tagalog. As I said, I'm gonna explain in Filipino or Tagalog. So piliin po natin yung may tumubo na. Ito ay binili sa palengke. Actually 1 kilo ang pinabili ko, yung half kilo para sa pang araw-araw na gamit na lang. So ang pipiliin po natin yung mga ganito. Yan, pwedeng itanim na lahat to, pwede ring hatiin pa. Yan, so ang gawin natin, ipapahiga lang po natin na ganito. Yan, ganyan. Huwag muna natin tabunan kasi mayroon tayong pantabon. Yeah, ang distansya po mga 10 inches to 1 feet, 10 to 12 inches. Huwag nating pag dikit-dikitin ng husto. Ayan. Ipahiga lang po ng bahagya. Yan. Ito po. Ubusin natin yung kalahating kilo rito. Ito dahil sobrang mahaba, so hatiin natin. Ayan, pagtakluhin natin. Alright, so malapit na matapos. Ito pa, another here. One more. This one. One more. So ayan, naitanim na natin lahat. So ayan na po siya. Ngayon we have to cover up with the black soil. Kukuha tayo ng dito sa ating organic. So we're gonna cover up. Huwag masyadong malalim. Another one shovel. That's why I planted here, because it's a little bit shady. It's not necessary to grow on full sunlight. At least there is 6 hours sunlight a day is already enough. So we have to cover up a little bit this one. I use my hands. This black soil is very fertile, so you know what I'm talking when it comes to compost. These are some raw vegetables, like when you are doing cooking, you are trimming some yung mga balat, ganyan, is mga skin. And then some eggshell. I already put some every time we cook egg, or sometimes I collect eggshell on my neighbor, because they are not doing gardening. So yan. So this is not done yet. I have to cover up on top, kasi maraming manok na gumagala from neighbor. Yung aking alagang manok andoon sa kabila, may sarili silang kulungan. So yan, I have to cover up.